Hello everyone, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? Welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I'm gonna tell you whether I'm happy with this job or not. You're gonna listen from a cabin crew in this video. Please forgive me if I have wasted your time by showing up in your feed of YouTube. If you want, you can skip this, but I would suggest please watch this video. As you all know that this mic has been gifted by my brother on Raksha Bandhan. And since then I have not used it. So what is the use of him giving me this mic? Because that time I thought it would be so useful for me. I'm gonna make a lot of videos, I'm gonna have a lot of subscribers, I'm gonna talk with you all guys with this mic. But what did I do? I made 0 videos. So today is the day when I'm going to use this mic to make a useful video. Of course, yes, a useful video. So let's get started. So this is a very big question for every cabin crew who is working out there. But for me, the feeling is mixed. Sometimes I feel happy, sometimes I feel sad, little frustrated, or little unhurt as well. Sometimes I feel lonely, sometimes I feel so much excited regarding all the new international layovers. Sometimes I feel like I have achieved my dream job, but sometimes I feel like there is no one with me. So we don't have to go with each and every thought in our mind, because this is the work of mind. It will work like that. It will make you question your decision, like whether you have made right choice or not, whether you have made wrong choice. So don't listen to your brain, just listen to your heart. For example, my heart said that I should become a cabin crew, which I became. And so I followed my dream, I followed my heart. And here I am working in aviation, in Air India, of course, so grateful. But sometimes this company gives me headache, a terrible headache, I would say. But we cannot do anything because it's paying you, and it was my dream job. So feeling is mixed, I would say. Sometimes I feel happy, so grateful, but sometimes I don't feel that much grateful. I feel like, what am I doing with my life? But this is the life. I think we should go with the flow. We should not think too much about our decisions. We should always enjoy each and every day, because we have cleared all the interviews, we have gone through so many things, and here we are now. So we should be cheerful, we should be grateful. And so I didn't have any idea what to talk, so that's why I just chose this one, whether I'm happy or not, in this video. I thought let's interact with you all, because it's been really while since I have not spoken with you all guys. So I thought let's make a video on my feelings. What am I feeling after joining aviation or after working as a cabin crew? So here I am, and so you can tell me on which topic I should make next video, so that I can have a good content. I should not be talking like this, like anything. I cannot talk like anything. I cannot talk on any topic. I should have a proper topic. And yeah, so today I was assigned for a flight, but it got cancelled. Of course, I'm grateful. Of course, I'm happy, because whenever flight got cancelled, or whenever we have been removed from, removed from the flight, I always become happy, because this is the time when we get off. This is the time when we can go out, we can explore some places in Mumbai, or I can do some self-care day with me. Because this company, in this in this career, we don't get off often. It's only after 6 days or 5 days. But if we are getting off by cancellation of a flight, so we should enjoy, we should be grateful. So today, when I got removed from a flight and I got off, which was very nice. So I did all the makeup, so I thought let's make a video. The only thing which I'm not doing is wearing the red uniform, the sari, this thing. So I thought let's wear a formal and make a video. Let's talk with you guys. I'm so happy when I get international layovers like Mauritius, Bangkok, Singapore. But at the same time, I become so sad if I get airport standby for 6 hours. Yes, if I get pulled out for any flight, especially flights like Bombay Delhi, halt, and then Delhi Bombay back. And I was supposed to do airport standby For example, if we have airport standby from 1 o'clock in the night till 7 o'clock in the morning, so that time we cannot sleep only. We cannot sleep at 8 o'clock in the night, and company can expect us to wake up by 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock and then get ready and then go for standby. So obviously what we do, we don't sleep only, and we always think we will go there and we will sleep at the airport standby. So that time we feel sad, why have we joined aviation? Because it doesn't have fixed timing, it has flexible, anytime they can pull you out, anytime they can give you any flight, and you have to do it with a smiling face because that is the profession we have chosen. So that time it becomes hectic. That times I feel sad, I don't feel excited, I don't feel, oh, this was my dream job, I have to follow this. No, we don't feel that. So that is the time when we feel sad. The best time for a cabin crew is when we wait for the upcoming roster, which is going to be bad, not good. We know that that is going to be bad, but still we wait so badly that what would be the roster for next month? Am I getting any international layovers? Am I getting domestic layovers? Am I getting off? How many offs are we going to get? So all this excitement, all this drama happens for the last month, and it ends with the date of 24th, 25th or 26th of each month. And then we got to know that, okay, it was same as the last one. You didn't get any international flights. You got only 2-3 flights. That is Dammam, not Mauritius, not Bangkok. No, not at all. Only Dammam, Doha, like this. And where you cannot go out because it's very hot in Doha. It's very hot in Dammam. You just have to sleep, get ready, and come back for the flight. So this is how the life is. Sometimes good, sometimes I feel happy, grateful, sometimes I feel sad. Why have I joined aviation? It would be better if I work from 10 to 5. So I think that's all about this video. I have removed all of my frustration of today's flight cancellation. So see you in next video. If I have anything to talk, only then. Bye.